Hi, it's Roger. My thought for today is I love being out in beautiful sunny nature in the Pennines. It's a beautiful, beautiful day.